IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Who is your favorite actor or actress? Band 5. Answer.
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks, because he plays in many good films. I like him because he is very natural. I don't watch many movies, but I enjoy his acting.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas with some hesitation and basic linking. Lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, mostly simple sentences with occasional errors. Pronunciation, generally clear but may require repetition. Typical of Band 5, basic communication using limited language. Band 7.5 answer.
I'd say Tom Hanks is my favorite actor, because he brings a sense of honesty to every character he plays. Whether it's drama or comedy, he always feels believable. I also appreciate how consistent he's been over the years.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth flow with good organization. Lexical resource, strong range with some sophistication, honesty believable, consistent. Grammar, mostly complex structures used accurately. Pronunciation, clear, natural rhythm, easy to understand. Typical of Band 7.5, detailed, well-organized answers with controlled language. Band 9 answer.
Without a doubt, Tom Hanks is my favorite actor because he has an extraordinary ability to make every role feel authentic and deeply human. What impresses me most is how effortlessly he shifts between genres while still maintaining a unique warmth in his performances. His work consistently feels meaningful, which is why I always look forward to his films.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless delivery, fully developed ideas. Lexical resource, rich, precise vocabulary used naturally. Grammar, wide range of structures used with complete accuracy. Pronunciation, completely natural, with excellent intonation and clarity. Typical of Band 9, nuanced, expressive responses with native-like control. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.